Now, if you want a job with more power, you could climb the corporate ladder, or you could climb actual ladders as a lineman. It means having a deadly amount of power in your hands. But some linemen tell CBS 2's Dave Malkoff it's the worst job they ever loved.
Come on over here, guys. We're working on 2 circuits today. It's going to be the Sherborne 16 kV line.
9 a.m. in Culver City. Yeah. And these wires are about to come alive.
Questions, concerns?
The life of a lineman working for Southern California Edison is all about respect. Respect for what's up there.
Let's get it done.
They're constructing this rail line here, but there's a problem. A train coming through here could possibly tear down the power lines. They don't want to have that happen. So even though it's charged at 16,000 volts, they're sending this wire underground.
In this job, the office equipment could easily kill you.
You've been doing this 32 years?
You can see I started in 1976, so yeah, something like that, yeah.
Lineman Earl Robillard took this job as an adrenaline junkie.
I don't know, the height, kind of the danger, I guess, a little bit.
But once you get up here, and remember that line's fully charged.
All right, Matt.
Once you get close to a power line, a cable that's more than 145 times the power of your standard wall plug,
Want me to give you a hand?
youthful thrill-seeking becomes a respect for power. A whole neighborhood's power that is just one piece of rubber away from your skin.
They're covered in sweat, yeah, you sweat in them, big time.
Now, Earl's been shocked before.
Actually, the worst shock I've had was on a cattle fence.
Just not on the job.
You don't want to be touching a cattle fence.
That's not to say these linemen don't feel the power buzzing through their bodies up here. It's a vibration that pales in comparison to the rock crushers below.
Yeah, you can feel it through your rubber glove.
It vibrates.
It's just rattling inside your glove.
Here, and your arms might stand up.
Al 4244.
4244, go ahead.
The slow, careful nature of this job keeps their families back home from worrying.
They know I'll be coming home in one piece.
That's a Roger.
Because electricity is an unforgiving boss, relentlessly driven with one goal in mind. Power wants to find ground, and if the shortest distance is through a human body, so be it. That's why this job is all about respect and taking your time.
You go at your own pace, and you know what you have to get done, you go get it done.
In Culver City,
Oh, that was nothing.
Dave Malkoff, CBS 2 News.